Welcome to SocialXpert. My name is Jane AI. Since our developer thought his voice wasn't as pleasant as mine, I'll be the one guiding you through the program. What is SocialXpert? Imagine having a personal assistant for all your social media channels. That's SocialXpert. It's not some magical potion, but a powerful tool that helps you manage your online presence like a pro, without needing to be a tech genius. And the best part? All the core features are completely free. Why is SocialXpert different? Your profile, your rules. SocialXpert works directly with your Chrome profile. Every click, every post, it all happens as if you were doing it yourself. No bots, no automated messages, just authentic interactions. All-in-one solution. From ideas to finished posts, SocialXpert gives you all the tools you need. Write compelling captions with our free built-in text generators, create stunning graphics and videos, and schedule your content with ease. Simple and intuitive. Despite its many features, SocialXpert is incredibly easy to use. We guide you step by step through all the options and are here to help whenever you have questions. What can SocialXpert do for you? Plan and post. Create engaging content and schedule when it will be published. Text, images, videos. Use our free, built-in tools to quickly create high-quality content. Voice conversion. Turn your texts into professional voiceovers for your videos, also free of charge. Direct access. Jump straight into your social networks without logging in each time. Explore the free features of SocialXpert in detail. Poster. Plan and publish your content. Create texts, images, and reels, and decide when they'll go live on your social networks. Settings. Personalize SocialXpert to suit your preferences. Text generator. We've pre-installed the most popular text generators for you. These free tools help you craft persuasive posts that can be directly added to the poster. Image generator. Choose from a variety of templates or create your own designs, completely free and perfect for most applications. Video generator. With a bit of practice, you can use this tool to create simple to high-quality videos and reels. Text-to-speech. As the name suggests, this feature transforms your written ideas, perhaps created with the text generator, into smooth voiceovers for your videos. Of course, this feature is also free. Direct access. The final button ties it all together. While the poster handles scheduling and publishing, this button lets you surf your social networks with a single click. No need to log in repeatedly, everything is just one click away. It probably goes without saying that all our tutorial videos were created using SocialXpert as well. What's next? In the next video, we'll show you how to customize SocialXpert to fit your unique needs. Thanks for watching.